Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to online English class. But today in English we will do work in your Combo Phonics book. Okay, so please open Combo Phonics book, page number 3030. See, beta, this is page number 30. And today we will do long A sound words with AI vowels. Okay. The great Longo is a magician. Magician कौन होता है? जादूगर. He makes long vowel words. Add long A words to his magic chain. Look at each picture. Write the letters AI on the lines. Say the word, write the words in the magic chain. तो बेटा यहाँ पर आपने वर्ड्स को कंप्लीट करना है विद राइटिंग AI letters, AI vowels. Okay, so first word is SAIL, sail. Sail करना, तैरना. Boat sails on water. Complete this word and write it in the magic chain also. Okay. Second word, snail. SNAIL, snail. Snail क्या होता है? एक small animal. Okay. Next, RAIN, rain. Rain, बारिश. Next, NAIL, nail, keel. Okay. Next word is TRAIN, train. ट्रेन तो सबको पता है, रेलगाड़ी. नेक्स्ट, PAIL, pail, a bucket of water. A bucket that is full of water is known as pail. Okay. Now you have to write down all these words in the magic chain. Okay. Page number 30 is complete. Do it very carefully. You just have to write AI letters in the blank space. Okay. In the blanks. Next, page number 3131. Long A. As you all know that AI letters make sound of long A, and in the same way, AY letters also make sound of long A. Make a long A playhouse. Make it with AY bricks. Bricks किसको बोलते हैं? ईंट को. नीचे डाउन साइड आप देखोगे कि एक ब्रिक हाउस बना हुआ है. इस ब्रिक हाउस में आपने क्या करना है? यू हैव टू राइट AY words on the bricks. Okay, you have to write AY words on the bricks. Okay, look at each picture. हर एक पिक्चर को ध्यान से देखिए. Write the letters AY on the lines. और जो ब्लैंक्स हैं वहाँ पर आपने AY लेटर्स राइट करने हैं. Say the word. राइट करने के बाद you have to read the word. You will say the word. ठीक है. Write one long A word on each brick of the playhouse. Then you will write any one long A word on each brick of the playhouse. Playhouse की हर एक brick पर आपने long A sound word with AY letters write करना है. Okay. Now let us see the pictures and complete the words and know their meanings. Okay. First one is hay. HAY, hay. Hay means grass. Next one is spray. SPRAY, spray. Spray करना, छिड़काव करना. Okay. Next, PLAY, play. Play, खेलना. Next is JAY, jay. Beta, jay is a bird. It is a medium sized bird. It is usually very colorful bird and noisy like a crow. Crow की तरह शोर करने वाला कलरफुल बर्ड है जे. ओके, और इसे हम हिंदी में नीलकंठ भी कहते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट पिक्चर इज ऑफ tray, tray, tray that we use for serving. Okay, next is crayon. Crayon तो आप सबको पता है. You love coloring, and for coloring you use crayons. Okay, now complete the playhouse by writing AY words on each brick. Okay, this page is also done. Now turn the page and come on book page number 32. Again we will do long A words, but these long A sound words are having a silent E in the end. Okay, the great Longo has a silent event. The silent event changes words. As I told you beta, when we add E in the end of the word, then it change the sound of the vowel. Okay, yes, many words with a long vowel sound are spelled with a vowel, a consonant, and then E, like M-A-D-E, made. First consonant, then vowel, then again consonant, and then again vowel. Okay, तो इन्हें हम CVC वर्ड्स कहते हैं. अगर इस टाइप के CVC यानी कि कॉन्सोनेंट वॉवल कॉन्सोनेंट, अगर इस टाइप के वर्ड्स में हम एंड में E ऐड कर दें तो क्या होगा? तो मैजिक होगा. जो वॉवल पहले आ रहा है कॉन्सोनेंट से, उसकी साउंड लॉन्ग हो जाएगी, लेकिन E ऐड करने के बाद जो E है वो साइलेंट रहेगी. ओके, ऐड एन E टू द बोल्ड वर्ड टू मेक अ लॉन्ग ए वर्ड. अब आपने यहाँ पर लॉन्ग ए साउंड वर्ड्स बनाने हैं बाय एडिंग एन E to the word that is in bold letters. Okay, see, number 1, the man was on a horse with a nice. Now see the word, see the bold word, that is man. Now you have to add E to this word. After adding E, it will become mane. M-A-N-E, mane. The man was on a horse with a nice mane. Next, he hit the can with his cane. उसने कैन को हिट किया अपनी केन से. अब केन क्या होती है बेटा? केन इज अ स्टिक. केन किसको बोलते हैं? स्टिक को बोलते हैं. ओके, he hit the can. The bold word is can. Now you have to add E to the word. Okay, it will become cane. C-A-N-E, cane. Next one, which hat do you dash? Now see the bold word, that is hat. H-A-T, hat. Now add E in the end of this word. It will become hate. H-A-T-E, hate. Which hat do you hate? Next one, the magician's cap matched his dash. Now see the word, that is bold. Word is cap. Now you have to add E. You have to add E in the end of the word cap. It will become cape. C-A-P-E, cape. The magician's cap matched his cape. जो magician की कैप है वो उसके केप से मैच करती है. केप क्या होता है? लॉन्ग ड्रेस. ओके, कैप किससे मैच करती है? उसकी लॉन्ग ड्रेस से, कैप से, केप से. ओके, नाउ पेज 32 is also done. Now we will discuss book page number 33. Again on this page, long A sound words are there with silent E. Okay. The great Longo is still making long A words with the silent E band. Write a long A word from each bold word in the sentence. Read the sentences. First, we will read the words that are given in the box. Okay. First one is pale. Pale यानी कि yellowish. Okay. Next is plane. Plane, aeroplane. Next word is hate. Hate करना, dislike करना. Next, fade. Fade क्या होता है बेटा? Fade होना to become lighter in color. कलर जो है उसका लाइट हो जाना ही फेड होना कहलाता है. लाइक जीन्स फेड व्हेन वी वॉश देम. जीन्स जो है फेड हो जाती हैं जब हम उन्हें वॉश करते हैं. एंड वी और जब हम क्लोथ्स को धूप में सुखाते हैं तब भी जो धूप है उसकी वजह से जो क्लोथ्स हैं वो उनका कलर फेड हो जाता है, लाइटर हो जाता है. ओके. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज सेम. सेम यानी कि दैट लुक्स लाइक, जो एक जैसा दिखे. ओके. सेम सेम सेम. ओके. नाउ वी विल रीड द सेंटेंसेस. नंबर 1, आई डैश to wear this hat. Now you have to add E to the bold in the end of bold word. The bold word is hat. Add E in the end of the word. Now it will become hate. H-A-T-E, hate. I hate to wear this hat. मैं इस hat को पहनना dislike करता हूँ, hate करता हूँ. Okay. Next, my pal looked sick and dash. My pal looked sick and, now see the bold word that is pal, and add a E in the end of the word. The word will become P-A-L-E, pale. That is a long A sound word. My pal looked sick and pale. मेरा जो पाल है वो कैसा दिख रहा है? बीमार और सिक होने की वजह से वो कैसा हो गया है? पेल हो गया है, येलोइश हो गया है. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन, सैम इज ऑन द डैश टीम एज जॉय. सैम इज ऑन द डैश टीम एज जॉय. नाउ सी द बोल्ड वर्ड दैट इज Sam. Sam is a boy. Okay. Now we have to add E in the end of the word Sam. It will become same. S-A-M-E, same. Same is on the Sam is on the same team. Sam same team में है जिस टीम में Joy है. Okay. As Joy. Yes. Next sentence. I plan to fly on a dash. मैंने प्लान किया किसमें फ्लाई करने का. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल सी द बोल्ड वर्ड दैट इज प्लान. नाउ ऐड ई टू द इन द एंड ऑफ द वर्ड. इट विल बिकम प्लेन. P-L-A-N-E, प्लेन. आई प्लान टू फ्लाई ऑन अ प्लेन. मैंने प्लान किया किसमें फ्लाई करने का? प्लेन से. ओके. नेक्स्ट, इट इज अ फैड टू डैश जीन्स. It is a fad to add E in the end of bold word that is fad. The word will change into fade. Okay. It is a fad to fade jeans. Now page number 33 is also completed. Turn the next page beta and come on book page number 34. Silent E. Again we will do the words with silent E. Add E to the word to make a long vowel sound word. आपने जो given 15 words हैं इनके end में E vowel add कर देना है. और E vowel add करने से क्या होगा? The word will make a long A sound. Okay. Yes. Now let us read the words after adding E. Can, cane. Tub will change into tube. Pin will change into pine. What is pine? Pine is a tall evergreen tree with thin and sharp leaves. जो देवदार के चीड़ के trees होते हैं उन्हें हम pine tree बोलते हैं. Okay. Next word is rob, and after it adding e, the word will become rob. Okay. Rob is a loose garment. ढीला ढाला लबादा सा टाइप का एक गारमेंट होता है. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज प्लान. इट विल चेंज इनटू प्लेन after adding e. Okay. Now see the next word, cub. After adding e, it will become cube. Okay. Next word is din. After adding e, it will become dine. Dine यानी कि dinner. Okay. Next word is knot. After adding e, it will change into note. Next word is rid. Rid यानी कि छुटकारा पाना. And after adding e, the word will change into a long I sound word, and we will read it as ride. Okay. Next word is Sam. After adding e, the word will become a long a sound word, same. 11th word is cut, and after adding e, the word will change into a long u sound word, cute. Next word is cap. After adding e, the word will change into a long a sound word, cape. Beta, cape is a cloth with no sleeves. Okay. Next word is kit, and after adding e in the end of the word will become a long I sound word, kite. Next word is Tim. It will change into long I sound word, time, after adding e. Next word is tap. After adding e in the end of the word tap, it will change into the word tape. That is a long a sound word. C. Write the bold word from each sentence on the line. Then add an e. Read the sentence. Again हमने bold words को देखना है और उनके end में e write करना है. Okay. She can walk with a dash. She can walk with a cane. Add e in the end of word can. Cane. Cane is a stick that is used to help somebody to walk. Okay, next. My family makes a din when we dash. Now see the bold word. The word is din. Add e in the end of the word. It will change into dine. My family make a din when we dine. Next. Dad did not plan to go by. See the bold word, that is plan, and add e in the end of the word. It will change into plane. Dad did not plan to go by plane. Next. I bought a kit to make a dash. I bought a kit to make a, see the bold word, the word is kit. Add e in the end of the word, it will become kite. I bought a kit to make a kite. Next word, Sam looks dash as he did last year. Sam looks the same. S-A-M, Sam is the bold word, and after adding e, it will change into same. Sam looks the same as he did last year. Now, come on book page number 35. Review. Long A. Again, long A sound words. Color each long A word blue. Then see what you find. आपने क्या करना है इस पिक्चर में जितने भी वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं, यू हैव टू सर्च लॉन्ग ए साउंड वर्ड्स एंड कलर देम ब्लू. ओके, उन सभी वर्ड्स को आपने ब्लू कलर करना है. ओके बेटा, दिस यू विल डू बाय योर own. Okay, do it very carefully. It's a little tricky work for you. Now again turn the next page. Come on page number 36. Long A. Okay, the great Longo is on the long A train. Fill the train cars with long A words. आपने train cars को long A words से fill करना है. You have to choose long A words and you have to write them in the train cars. Okay beta, write only the long A words on the cars of the train. सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपने long A sound words को train cars पे write करना है. This also you will do by your own. Okay beta, these two pages I will not discuss with you. Page number 35 and 36 you will do by your own. Okay, do it very carefully and neatly. Thank you and goodbye all of you.